Hey brats, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to talk about how to protect your Quest 2 from scratches on the lenses. Now what I have here, I have a set of AMVR Lens Anti-Scratch Rings that I've actually reviewed before for the Quest 1. I've gotten a lot of questions, do these work for the Quest 2? I've even got people saying no, they definitely don't work. Today we're going to make these work for the Quest 2 and I'm going to show you how. Let's get into it. A really quick test to do, just if you want to prove this to yourself, in the original Quest 1, you did have to remove these rings to get these to fit on. These rings just popped off, and if we look at them, you can see there's 3 hooks where these hook on. Now, if you go to your Quest 2 and you take a look, you've got those same hooks on the inside. So right in there, there's a hole, and then on each other side. I'll take this pad off just to make this a little easier to see. So you've got one hole down low, one hole right there, and another one back there. So even the original fairly protective protectors from your Quest 1 would actually snap in place just fine on your Quest 2. Just like that. So that's a quick, easy way to prove this is going to work on the exact same design. Now this one, when you open it up, it comes with your 2 protectors. And then it comes with 3 different rings, 3 different sizes and thicknesses to work. So you can see it says AMVR 2. It says AMVR 2 right there. I don't know if you can see that close. But basically, you're just going to put them on the same way you would have put these on here, except you don't have to remove a ring to get these on. You just take these, you can look at them, you can find the square edge, and then snap those on. See? Perfect fit, no problem at all. And then this just fits over those edges same way. You can line up the square side. And frankly, I find it easier actually to put the silicone on before you put these in, but I just wanted you to see it that way. So see, there's one. Now the other one, we already have the silicone. Same thing, find that edge that's more square than the rest of them. Boom, look how easy that is. Now, when I have glasses on, this is gonna be thick enough to keep the glasses from being able to touch the lenses and protect them. And again, they've got a thinner or a thicker, depending on how intense your glasses are, how close they're getting. So then you can now test your glasses, set them on there. You can test these and see now that the lenses aren't going to be able to touch anymore. No matter how you push them or wiggle them in there, you're not going to be able to get those to hit. So now your lenses are all safe and protected with this kit that's already available online. So I'll leave a link in the description for that. I did get this kit. AMVR sent me this a long time ago for the Quest 1 to try it out, and now we're just reusing that same one they sent us, checking out for the Quest 2. Works perfectly. All right, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I will see you in another reality. I want to say a massive thank you to our 6 patrons now. K27, Rocket Sauce 28, Fred Nepatebo, Ege Karatosh, K Panda K, and Maddie's. Thank you so much for supporting the channel.